Hello students and welcome back to Standard 9th Mathematics Digital class. Today we will solve practice set 2.4 of chapter 2 real numbers. Now let's solve practice set 2.4. So first question is multiply root 3 by root 7 minus root 3. So here we will open the bracket with root 3. So this is equal to root 3 multiply by root 7. In between we have minus sign. So we'll write that as it is. Then again root 3 multiply by root 3. Now we can take a single square root sign. Inside we can multiply 3 and 7. So square root of 3 multiplied by 7 minus, similarly here also square root of 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21 minus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So root 21 as it is. Now root 9, the value of root 9 is 3. So we can write here 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Let's solve one more question. So here we have to multiply 3 root 2 minus root 3 by 4 root 3 minus root 2. Here both are binomial quadratic terms. Okay. So let's multiply them. Now here we have to open the bracket. So we will multiply first term of first binomial quadratic set with the whole second binomial quadratic set. Okay. So like this 3 root 2 multiplied by 4 root 3 minus root 2. And again with the second term with the whole bracket again. Okay. So minus root 3 into bracket 4 root 3 minus root 2. Now we can multiply. So 3 root 2 multiplied by 4 root 3 multiplied by 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 multiplied by root 2. Okay, so first bracket is done. Now the second bracket, middle sign is minus root 3 multiplied by 4 root 3. So root 3 multiplied by 4 root 3. Now here this is minus sign, this is also minus. So minus into minus becomes plus. So plus root 3 multiplied by root 2. Okay. Now let's multiply. So here we will multiply the rational part with the rational part and irrational part with the irrational part. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 4 into root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus, here we can multiply directly 3 multiplied by root 4 minus 4 multiplied by root 3 into root 3 is root 9 plus root 3 into root 2 is root 6. So here 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Root 2 multiplied by root 3 is 6 minus 3 multiplied by root 4 is 2. So we'll write its value minus 4 multiplied by root 9 value is 3. So write that plus root 6. So this is equal to 12 root 6 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12 plus root 6. Now here you can see 12 root 6 and root 6 are like such, so we can add them. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 root 6 minus. Now here negative 6, negative 12 becomes negative 18. So this is the answer of this sum. Let's solve question number 2, rationalize the denominator. So here the first question is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 and we have to rationalize the denominator. Okay. So the conjugate pair of root 7 plus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate. Okay. So therefore 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 equals to. So we'll multiply the numerator root 7 minus root 2 by the conjugate. Okay. Now the denominator is root 7 plus root 2. This will be multiplied by its conjugate pair, that is root 7 minus root 2. So this is equal to 1 multiplied by root 7 minus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2, and in denominator root 7 plus root 2 multiplied by root 7 minus root 2. So we can write this as root 7 square minus root 2 square. So this is equal to numerator as it is root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 square is 7, root 2 square is 2. So 7 minus 2, which is equal to root 7 minus root 2 upon 7 minus 2 is 5. So the denominator is rationalized. Okay. Now we will solve question number 4 of question number 2. Now here the question is root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3, and we have to rationalize the denominator. So the conjugate of root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 minus root 3. So let's write conjugate of root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 minus root 3. Now we will multiply both numerator and denominator by its conjugate, that is root 5 minus root 3. So let's multiply. So therefore root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3 equals to root 5 minus root 3 into, we are multiplying with root 5 minus root 3. So right here root 5 minus root 3. Also the denominator will be multiplied by root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3 as it is. Now the conjugate root 5 minus root is equal to, you can see here we have root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. So this is equal to root 5 minus root 3 bracket square upon. Now here we have the multiplication of conjugate pair. So therefore we will write this as root 5 square minus root 3 square. We know we apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now this is equal to, now a minus b whole square formula we can apply for the numerator. So we'll get root 5 square, that is a square, minus 2 into root 5 into root 3, that is 2 into a into b, plus root 3 square, which is b square. Okay. Down in denominator we have root 5 square, that is 5, minus root 3 square, which is 3. Now this is equal to root 5 square is 5 minus 2 multiplied by root 5 multiplied by root 3 is 2 root 5 3 is 15. So root 15 plus root 3 square is 3 upon 5 minus 3 is 2. Now this is equal to, now here we can add 5 and 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 2 root 15. Now you can see in the numerator 2 is common. So we will take out 2 common. Inside bracket we will have 4 minus root 50. In denominator we already have 2. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. So this is equal to 4 minus root 50. That is the final answer of the sum. Hope you have understood exercise 2.4. Okay. Thank you.